Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did I start looking so tired and aged? The good news? You don't need Botox or pricey creams. Just 6 powerful vitamins could help. You look 10 years younger. Starting today. In this video, I'll reveal the 6 essential vitamins your body craves for glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, and youthful energy. These are natural, science-backed, and surprisingly easy to get into your daily routine. Vitamin C. Let's start with the queen of skincare. Vitamin C. This antioxidant helps your skin produce collagen, the protein responsible for firmness and elasticity. It fades dark spots, brightens dull skin, and fights off skin-damaging free radicals. Add a glass of warm lemon water to your morning routine or apply a vitamin C serum before bed. Vitamin E. Up next is vitamin E, known as the repair vitamin. It heals skin, reduces inflammation, and keeps you moisturized. When combined with vitamin C, it becomes a powerful anti-aging duo. Did you know? Cracking open a vitamin E capsule and applying it directly to scars or dry patches can show visible results fast. Vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin A, especially in its form as retinol, speeds up skin renewal, erases fine lines, and unclogs pores. It's why it's in so many anti-aging products. Caution: start slow with retinol to avoid irritation, or get it naturally from carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is your body's sunshine vitamin. It boosts immunity, supports skin cell growth, and improves your mood. A deficiency can lead to dull, saggy skin and low energy. Get 1520 minutes of sunlight daily, or take a supplement, especially if you live in a cloudy area. Vitamin K. Want to get rid of dark circles under your eyes? Vitamin K is your secret weapon. It helps with blood circulation and reduces puffiness, giving you that well-rested, youthful glow. Leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard can be your natural under-eye cream. Biotin, vitamin B7. Finally, biotin, the beauty vitamin. It strengthens your hair, skin, and nails. If your hair is thinning or your nails are brittle, biotin might be the missing link. Easy fix. Snack on bananas, almonds, or eggs. Or try a biotin-rich multivitamin. Bonus vitamin combos. Here's a powerful bonus. Combining vitamin C plus E plus A can give you visible glow and firmness in just weeks. Blend them into a smoothie. Secret number 2. Hydration hack. Vitamins can't work without proper hydration. Add slices of cucumber and lemon to your water. This boosts vitamin absorption and flushes out toxins for clearer, youthful skin. Let's recap. To rewind the clock, focus on vitamin C for collagen, vitamin E for healing, vitamin A for cell turnover, vitamin D for glow, vitamin K for eye health, biotin for hair and nails. Which of these vitamins are already in your routine? And which are you adding today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Watch next.